Sure we had fun tonight. You and me felt alright. But it's time you pick up your phone. You won't be worth my while. Me and you won't work out. Pick it up, pack it up, get a cab and go. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby.
Hey everybody, today's video is a complete disaster clean with me. It is starting off at nighttime. I did some cleaning for quite some time. I needed to go to bed, so I stopped, and then the next morning I restarted and I finished. So stick around with me as we clean together. And here I'm just giving you a brief overview of what I'm working on in today's video.
To myself, I ain't got room for love. I don't need stars above. All I need is my precious space. Yeah. Why you so serious? Can't you just be mine for a night, my love? Take it off, put it on, then be on your way. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been to hurt before. I've been through hell and more. So I hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So I hold on to my heart. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been too hurt before. I've been through hell and more. So I hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So hold on to my heart.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance now.
As you can see, I was just trying to clean off the counter as much as possible. This is an area that I definitely struggle with, trying to keep my counters clean. It's just like a dumping ground, just like my kitchen table. Are there any areas in your home that you struggle with? Let me know.
Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love.
If you are enjoying the video so far, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Also, if you are new here, please subscribe and don't forget to turn that bell notification on so you will be notified every time I post a new video. Last but not least, I would like to know what kind of content you all would love to see from me. As you can tell, I do lots of cooking and cleaning on my channel. But if there's something else that you would want to see, let me know down in the comments.
I just need a night with you, drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby, I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch, I feel it dripping from my mouth, drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love.
And I don't know what it is about lighting candles while you're cleaning, but it just always puts me in a better mood, gives me a boost or something. So I always make sure I have some kind of candle lit. That one back there is pumpkin pecan waffles from Bath and Body Works. If you have not tried it, girl, what are you waiting on?
I can't get enough of my baby, I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch, I feel it dripping from my mouth, drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love.
Here I was scraping putty off of the floor with the end of the broomstick.
I've been working overtime like crazy, just to show you how I really feel. Haven't had a single day off duty, just to show you that my love is real. Do you even care when I
So here I am again. This is the next day, washing dishes as per usual. Last night I was done. I was just so tired. So I went to bed, and the next morning, of course, the kids had to get up for school. I had to cook breakfast and all that. So, of course, I had extra dishes. So that's where I'm starting today.
just wanna take another look at you, maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you, will you let me? Oh, I hope that someday you will notice every little thing I do for you. Like the time I went to buy you flowers.
I'm curious to know. Let me know what your favorite mopping product is. I love this scent, so that's what I've been on lately. This Fabuloso lavender scent, but I also, have used and love Pine Sol and that kind of thing. So let me know.
Can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you, maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you, will you let me? I just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you, maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you, will you let me?
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes.
you can see here, we're finally able to move on to the kitchen table. But oh my goodness, all the papers and stuff that come home from school, they just all end up here.
What it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, were we enemies? No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words. No. I'll walk through the fire.
Y'all will not believe how heavy this rug is. It is so hard to even move it. I had to have my oldest son help me like pull it so that we could get those big wrinkles out the middle.
The way you make me feel, don't need to pretend that I'm somebody else. With you I can't be myself. That sure is something else. Can we stay for a while until the fire's been out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right. You got me falling. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, oh.
I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope it gave you just the right amount of cleaning motivation that you needed today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you soon in a brand new video. Thanks. Bye-bye.
I just assumed we were more than